Knives just came back from Expec Sharpening Shop. Let's see how this looks. Nicely packaged, nicely wrapped. Here they are. Follow us on Facebook. I already do that, so we don't have to worry about that. Oh, and look at this. They are a Rata dealer, Rata Cutlery, authorized partner. Sharp knife, happy life. All right, let's see what's in the package. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, there's money. Gotta love a package that comes with money. Let's see here. We got a Expec sticker. That's cool. That seems to be the thing nowadays, stickers. Oh, here's our sharpening coupon. Sharpen 19 items, and the 20th is free. And look, the first one here, they give us credit for this first one. That's already cut off. All right, it's cool to have. Oh, and a coupon. So we're going to only get that. We get a coupon, $5 off our next service, $20 or more. Nice to have. Now, what's the $5 for? Here's our receipts. So here we are. We had the paring knife, $3. The chef's knife was $5, and the straight knife was $6. That came to $14. Tax was 93 cents. Total of, I had put a $20 bill in here, you'll recall, when I wrapped these up. And that is my change. And look at this. They donated 7 cents, my 7 cents change, to feed the hungry. And very, very good. Well, let's see how the knives came out. You know how this works. The real question, are they sharp? Happen to have a tomato here. It even looks like a bit of an overripe one. Let's give it a go. Oh, look at that. Look how thin that is. Wow. And the paring knife. You remember this little rascal. This one crushed the tomato. Just like that. Boy, that is really something. Expec Sharpening Shop. Just like that.